Welcome to Attendance Tracker, your simple, no-fuss way to track your work from office and work from home days, and stay compliant without spreadsheets, stress, or servers. Let's get you set up in just a few seconds. Activating your software. Before you begin, personalize and activate your copy. Simply enter the registered email address used for purchase to unlock the full features of Attendance Tracker. Next, choose your country or region. This automatically loads the correct public holidays for your location. No manual entry, no guesswork. While you are there, get a brief overview of the features available inside the Attendance Tracker, such as entering dates, adjusting your settings, and adding any customizations you might like. It also tells about how your attendance data is saved and managed. Okay, you're all set. You're now ready to start recording your attendance levels. Click any date on the calendar to log your hours and select your category, Work from Office, WFO, Work from Home, WFH, Leave, Holidays, or anything else you need. You can even add your own custom categories. Need to repeat entries? Use Clone and Paint to copy a single day and apply it across multiple dates in seconds. Want to update in bulk? Select multiple days and edit them all at once. Monitor your attendance. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a live summary breakdown showing your compliance percentages compared to your target percentages. It updates instantly as you enter data, so you always know exactly where you stand. Open attendance trends to see a clean, visual chart that reveals how your attendance patterns evolve over time. Customize your setup. Open settings to tailor Attendance Tracker to your work style. Set your target attendance percentage. Configure your workdays per week. Select your location for automatic public holiday detection. Add holiday overrides or special leave days. Define your annual Christmas shutdown periods. Manage your data with CSV import, export, and backups. It's really easy to export, import, copy, and paste your data to back up your attendance records. There's also automatic local backups, which are always saved in your browser. And if needed, you can roll back to restore a previous date or version. Best of all, your data always stays in your hands. No networks, no IT monitoring, no installers, no servers, no complicated setup. You're all set. You're now ready to start tracking your time. All you need is a web browser and attendance tracker. Simple, fast, and built for how you actually work.